Most small YouTubers don't have content problem, they have planning problem. They don't know what to post, when to post, or how to structure their videos. And because of that, they stay inconsistent. If you are new to this channel, my name is Vito Melody. Please stay to the end because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I plan my YouTube videos as a small creator, step by step. This is the system that helps me stay consistent and grow. If you have watched my previous videos, you know I've been sharing my journey of growing on YouTube without going viral. But there is something most people don't talk about. Growth doesn't happen just from posting. It comes from intentional planning. When you don't plan, you rely on motivation. And motivation is not consistent, but systems are. Step 1, I start with the audience problem. I don't start with ideas, I start with problems. Every video I create answers a question someone is already asking. For example, why is my YouTube channel not growing? How do I get my first 1000 subscribers? Why do my videos get low views? When your content solves real problems, people click. So before I plan any video, I ask, what is my audience struggling with right now? Not what I feel like posting, but what they need. The second step, I validate the idea. Not every idea is worth posting, so I validate it. Here is how I do it. I search the topic on YouTube. I look at what videos are performing well. I study titles and thumbnails. If people are already watching similar content, that means there is demand. I don't copy, but I learn what works. YouTube leaves clues, and smart creators pay attention. The next step, I structured the video before filming. This step changed everything for me. Before I record, I structure the video. Not a full script, but a clear flow. My structure is simple. The first one is hook, then introduction, then main points, and lastly conclusion. If you don't structure your videos, you will ramble, and rambling kills retention. Your audience should feel guided. Every part of your video should lead somewhere. The next step, I focus on the first 10 seconds. I treat the first 10 seconds like gold, because that's where most viewers decide to stay or leave. So I don't start with, hey guys, welcome back. I start with impact, a statement, a question, or bold truth. Something that makes the viewers pause and think, I need to hear this. Hooks are not optional, they are essential. Step number 5, I plan the thumbnail and title. This is something many small creators get wrong. They plan the video first and the thumbnail last. I do the opposite. Before I even record, I ask, would I click this video? If the answer is no, I adjust the title or idea. Because no matter how good your video is, if nobody clicks it, it doesn't matter. Your thumbnail and title are your first impression. Make them count. Step number 6, I keep it simple. Another mistake most creators make, they overcomplicate everything. They want perfect lighting, perfect camera, perfect editing. But perfection delays consistency. I focus on clarity over perfection. Clear message, clear delivery, and clear value. That's what grows your channel. Step number 7, I stay consistent with a system. I don't rely on motivation. I rely on a system. For example, I choose topics in advance. I batch ideas. I follow a weekly posting schedule. Because when you remove decision making, you become consistent. And consistency builds momentum. Step number 8, I learn from every video. Every video teaches you something. After posting, I look at these things. The first one is retention. Then the second one, click-through rate. Then the next one, audience response. Not to overthink, but to improve. Growth comes from feedback. If you ignore feedback, you stay stuck. And if you learn from it, you grow. Planning is not about control. It is about direction. Without direction, you post randomly. With direction, you grow intentionally. Small creators don't need more ideas. They need better structure. If you are serious about growing on YouTube, start planning your content. Not perfectly, but intentionally. Because consistency comes from structure. And structure leads to growth. If this video was of help to you, please comment, like, and share to someone who needs this kind of information. Remember also to subscribe. And check out on my playlist called How I Grew on YouTube. There, I'm teaching you everything concerning growth on YouTube. Thank you and see you again next week on the same topic, talking about growth on YouTube.